Hello friends. Okay, so today we are actually giving a new sheet which are based on data structures and basic algorithm. Okay, so let's try to understand. Okay, first I have not posted any video around 10 days. So actually I'm not available, but okay. So now first you should actually I have posted a sheet 1. You should solve sheet 1 at least seat 7 till seat 7 recursions are there. I will post the solutions. I will post the solutions, so don't worry about it. So let's try to understand this new seat. Okay, so if you are rating what is prerequisite. Okay, what is prerequisite is what is prerequisite is if your rating is less than equal to 14 in CF. Okay, if CF rating is less than equal to 1400, you should try this seat. Okay, there are two seats are there. Okay, you should try it. Okay, if your this is a prerequisite. After if your rating is more than 1400, definitely you are definitely you actually done this kind of questions before. But if your rating is CF is less than equal to 1400, I think you should try this new sheet. This sheet is very good. And another thing that is that uh, this seat actually has these two seats are there. Okay, these two sheets are there. First contain only standard columns. First contain only standard columns. Okay. First contain only standard column, and another sheet which also give the similar concept but giving the more practice column. But giving the more practice column. Okay. But giving the more practice columns. So first contain only standard column, and then it gives a very overview of the standard column. But when you feel that you need a more problem to understand this kind of question, standard question, you can practice problems are there also. Okay, so this is totally based on data structures. Okay, this is not based on implementation. This is totally data structures and some kind of algorithm like binary search, maps, priority queue, TQ, bit bit masking. Okay, so this is the prerequisite. Okay, this if your rating is less than 14 equal to, you can try it. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's try to. This is a standard problem. You can check it. Okay, this is a standard problems. Okay, so let's try it to. The first content is you can check is frequency, prefix of vector, pair, struct. Okay, so it contain around. You can check it. So here are problems are given like range some queries which totally are based on prefix sum, sort the array, range sum 2D, which also update range. This is a difference array. Okay, I will make this. I will make a solution. Okay, after a sheet one completed. So update range. This is totally based on difference array. Okay, this is based on difference array. Okay, so so update range. Update range are based on difference array. So update range are based on difference array. So you can try these questions. It's also very important. It's very good amount of question. Okay. So they are learning. Okay. And this is the first standard sheet. You should try every problem of first standard sheet, and then if you feel not enough, that even after solving this standard problem you think that you need a more problem to solve, so then you get, then you just go and for practice sheet. Okay, for prefix sum and frequency array. It contain a more problem. Okay, so there are many problems, 26 problems there, and all the problem are totally based on prefix sum. Okay, so again, the second is totally binary search, stack, queue, dequeue, priority queue, and here actually given a practice sheet. Okay, binary search two pointer, and set storing compare map is totally based on STL. So here STL are there. Okay, you can check it STL because binary search there are three functions are there. In STL binary search, lower bound, upper bound. Okay, so your binary search STL are there. Okay, so here you can use binary search STL. So here problems are given in a practice session. You can try it. Okay, so you can just check it. It's a lower bound, upper bound. Multiple time there that use in binary search. Okay, this kind of STL. So there's a C2 also given. Again, C3 is also a STL set storing compare function maps, and there is C3 practice is STL2. Is STL2 based on set storing compare function is comparator. Okay, map, and seed 4 is binary search two pointer. Seed 4 is more specific binary search, you will say, because in previous question there are very easy version of binary search, but aggressive cow you actually try this question. This is good question. So binary search here are more advanced version of binary search, more than basic version. Okay, so and the last one is bit manipulation and bit masking. Okay, so there's a bit masking operation subset always. Okay, less than, if your rating is less than 1400, there's a very less question of DP, but right now there are more question added, but it is enough. Okay, or in the practice sessions, there are in bit mask. Okay, length is very small, so there are many questions are there, you can try it. Okay, if you feel even I think after this set I will be guarantee you will be enough to cross 1400 rating. I just need to practice in contest. Okay, this two seat is enough to reach. Your rating is 1400, is crossed to 1400. Okay, this standard seats are there, and in support of standard seat there are practice seats also are there. Okay, so you don't worry about that, just solve it. Okay, I will make the solutions when I will free, when I will complete my seat one. I'm waiting for my seat one to complete it, and I will not be available for the previous 10 day, but right now I will be available. So as soon as I completed my seat one, I will be jump and try to solve those standard seat. Okay, okay, so if you have any doubt, so I will give the I have given my mail in my previous video, you can check it. Okay, so you can ask me. Okay, so so I think that's enough. If you have any doubt, please free to comment it in YouTube. So it's very, so in my opinion, uh, this seat is enough for reaching 1480. Okay, greater than 1400, but you need to practice more to quick implementation. Okay, if you implement quick, you will get more point. When you will get more point, it will be very beneficial to get the rating higher. Okay, so but this will give the exactly overview how binary search work, how stack work, how queue works, how stats the set storing compare function, binary search to pointer bit masking. This kind of the uh, terminology that actually came in ABC always, in deep 2, deep 3, ABCD. So we'll get the overview from this standard sheet and you just solve this practice problem. Okay. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in my mail and also in comment on YouTube. Okay. Thank you.